Right, here you go, Ty. Shit, you know. The fuck do you want this? Alright, bud. That's the girls' room in there, but they're fast asleep. Oh shit, you know. Fucking dead them time. Ooh. It's already opening. I was trying to open them. And then straight into the pool tie. It's absolutely gorgeous.